YouTube, what's going on, gang? It's your boy B So Fitted. I'm back again with yet another video. Today, as you guys saw earlier, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Nike SB Air Jordan 4 in the pine green colorway. I'm also going to compare it to the military blacks, which is just a regular Air Jordan 4, regular. But yeah, with that being said, I'm going to give you guys an up close look, get into like the minor little details, show you guys some initial thoughts and reactions, throw these on feet, and then we'll be on our way. That being said, let's jump right into it. New to the channel, subscribe, you know what to do. Appreciate y'all. Let's get it. Alright gang, let's jump right into this up close look at the Nike SB Jordan 4 in the pine green colorway. And I'm going to be comparing it to military blacks on my right. So starting off, let's get right into the box. As you guys can see right here, flat on the bottom, Jumpman on top. And then let's rotate it. Air Jordan 4 Retro, SP Special Project, pine green color. QR code, scan it, take you right to the Nike website. Ensure authenticity, Nike SB on the top right of the lid. Turn it over. A whole bunch of logos, credentials, all that, whatever you want to call it. Really clean. Typical Jordan 4 boxes are a two-piece box followed by the base and the lid. Somewhat and similar to your Air Jordan 1 box, followed by two tissues, one plain, one in this elephant print, cement, whatever you want to call it. Very nice and clean. Box is not white, it's kind of like an off-white creamy color. Very nice box, very sleek, very simple. With the military blacks, the lid is a flip lid, it's all one piece. Either way, no complaints. I like how different they do it each time. No complaints on my end. So I hit retail on these. Nike granted me exclusive access via the sneakers app on Tuesday, which is the 15th. Today is Saturday, which is the 18th. So a nice little cop for retail. I am a very huge fan of the 4s. It's a very nice silhouette in my opinion. So first impression, initial reaction, initial thoughts. What caught my eye at first? I would say it would have to be the heel tab. Look how soft this is. Check this out. It is straight up rubber. The reason being is because they wanted to create something more soft. Check this out. Regular Jordan 4 has a very stiff heel tab. I would say this was a good move because when I do rock Jordan 4s, this heel tab, sometimes when I bend my leg back, it tends to dig into my skin if I'm not wearing high cut socks, and it does hurt, I will say. I don't see that happening with how soft this rubber heel tab is, but let's give you guys this side by side look. With it being an SB, everything is a lot softer. Starting off with the heel tab is a lot softer compared to your average Jordan 4. The cushioning around the ankle of Jordan 4s is not the softest. With the SBs, they added a little bit more cushioning, but nothing extraordinary, nothing too crazy. They added more padding in the tongue, but again, nothing too crazy. Air Jordan upside down. Same deal on the SBs. Again, the backstory behind that, people used to fold their tongues down back in the 80s or 90s, and they'd wear their 4s like that. So hence, that's why they flipped this upside down. So when you fold your tongue, it's right side up. Hence, that's what they did with the Union Jordan 4s, if you guys are familiar with that. So nice little fun fact. Oh, and which is weird. MSRP of these was $225, which is a pretty high price tag. I believe retail was either $190 or $200, something along those lines. I believe it was $190. How come they added just a piece of tissue for the insert for the SBs, but then they added a cardboard insert for the lower MSRP Jordan? Doesn't make too much sense to me. No big deal, but I thought it was interesting. But everything top to bottom is just softer. Check this out. On the toe, the leather is a lot softer, more responsive, and you can see the way it tumbles just nicely. On the military blacks, it's soft, not as soft. They could do better. With the wings, a lot softer. It's not as soft as the heel tab, It's a little bit more durable, but it's still a lot softer compared to your normal Jordan 4. With that, it's not happening. Even on the rubber window, is a lot softer as well. No big deal, just minor details. Traction patterns, herringbone, Nike in the middle, Jumpman in the middle on the militaries. But don't let it fool you guys. They just added rubber on the toe and on the heel to improve traction. But it is in no way, shape, or form more durable than a regular Jordan 4 outsole. It's the same exact thing. Don't get it twisted. Don't let it fool you guys. With the price tag being $225, I'm not a fan. I just don't think it should be that damn high. They could do all this with a regular price tag of $190. Why'd they have to add damn near $40 onto the price tag, slap SB on it? They could just be doing this on a regular basis, you know? But Nike is just hopping on the inflation wave. With the militaries, they easily could have done this. I just don't know why they took the SB route with 4s. It's kind of weird to me. Interesting. I'm not complaining. But I think this would look a lot better with the Nike Air on the tab. I don't know. That's just me. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If it weren't for this being a Nike SB Jordan 4, I think it would just be a regular, just another release, if you ask me. Also, with the high price tag, they should have thrown on some extra laces. But again, we're paying for the label, the tag. As far as you guys paying resale, $4 for it, that's how much a size 12 goes for. I wouldn't do it. It's just a regular Jordan 4. The padded insert, there's nothing special. Nike SB with the Air on the bottom. Dream Cell. The same exact insert on a regular Jordan 4. This one has a Jumpman. Same exact thing. These are more comfortable than a regular Jordan 4. If we're being honest with each other, ask anyone in the world. Jordan 4 are not a shoe that you could rock all day, every day. They're just not comfortable like that, in my honest opinion. Maybe I could last a little bit longer in these. I'd used to be wearing it casually. You'd probably definitely feel a difference whether you're hooping in these or skating in them for that instance. But I'd just be wearing it casually. So regardless, I don't think I'd be able to last all day in these. They're not that much more comfortable than a regular Jordan 4. I'm just going to be honest with you. But you definitely do notice a difference in the materials and how much softer they are than your regular Jordan 4 right here. Again, everything is exactly the same, from the wing to the heel tab to the air bubble, traction pattern. Everything is exactly the same. They just made everything a lot softer, added more cushioning in all the right places. If you want to get technical and see what they did differently internally, go ahead and hop on another video. I'm not going to do all of that just because I'm not a professional like that. I'm just your regular sneakerhead. So there you have it, your up close look compared to a regular Air Jordan 4, regular degular. Now let's throw these on feet and then let's finish up the video. Alright, y'all, as far as the unboxing and review goes on the Nike SB Air Jordan 4 in the pine green colorway goes, that's pretty much all I had for you guys. I hope you guys found today's video helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you guys did, like, comment, share, and subscribe. All that activity helps the channel out. More videos to come soon. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. It's your boy Be So Fitted signing off. Only way is up. Stay fitted for me, y'all. We out, baby. Let's get it. Woo! That was the one, baby.